if you people can recall my last lecture, we talked about human resource management, and you can recall that before human resource management, the subject was known as personal management. But today, with the increase in the competition, the company has realized that every added value to the people is the value added to the organization. So the focus of the organization has moved from the training and development to human resource development. So before talking about human resource development, let's talk about what human resource management actually includes. As you people can see, this definition or the equation, which has been introduced by Professor T.V. Rao. He's a professor at IIM Ahmedabad, who talks about that human resource management is made up of human resource administration plus human resource development and industrial relations. See, HRA talks about your personal aspect of human resource management, which deals with the administrative task of an organization, just like recruitment, selection, staffing, training and development, etc. The human resource administrative function gives stability to the organization, whereas HRD, that is human resource development, gives growth to the organization by developing the knowledge, skill, ability of the people. And whereas industrial relation ensures peace because it leads to grievance handling, discipline, and conflict management within the organization. So it is apparent from this equation that human resource management is made up of HRA as well as HRD and IR. Both HRA and IR are the tangible part of an organization, whereas human resource development is an intangible part of the organization which provides growth to the organization. None of the function, either HRA, HRD or IR, works in isolation. They all supports each other, and in total they support your human resource management within the organization. So to HRD is what? It is increasing the knowledge, skill and ability of the people by using various tools like performance appraisal, potential appraisal, career planning, training and development, feedback, etc. etc. Let's talk about the definition of human resource development. The definition is given by Professor Leonard Nadler. He's the pioneer in the field of HRD. And he talks about human resource development as is a series of activities conducted within a specialized time and designed to produce behavioral change. See, HRD is a system made up of various subsystems like performance appraisal, potential appraisal, feedback, career development, training and development, rewards, etc. And it is a process. It is not just one go activity. It consists of series of activities, and it is conducted within a specialized period of time. You all know the time has an important role to play. The skill you need today may become obsolete tomorrow. The organization has to keep in mind the importance of time while enhancing the knowledge, skill and ability of the people. And the focus of HRD is to bring in behavioral change within the people. And specifically the attitude change towards organization development and change management. Before continuing with the lecture, I would like to tell you that HRD is of recent origin and Leonard Nadler is the pioneer within the field of HRD. And in India, the concept of human resource development was brought by Professor T.V. Rao and Uday Parekh. Initially, they introduced this concept in L&T, and later on, it was introduced in Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited in India. Now, how an organization provide the development climate within the organization. This is done with the help of the term the HRD expert used for the same is octapace. Octapace ensures HID culture, which in the end leads to HRD climate within the organization. Culture, you all know, is a set of values, beliefs, and it's so deep rooted into us that we ourselves doesn't know that how it affects our behavior. So the octapace stands for here O stands for openness. Openness means that there need to be a freedom of expression within the organization. Every employee should be feel free to express their ideas, views, innovation, etc., etc. See here means confrontation. Confrontation means encounter or face the problem. Within the capability of every individual employee, they should be allowed to solve the problem as per their ability. T here stands for trust. See, trust comes when you observe people within the organization, and if you have to ensure the HRD climate, you have to ensure the trust within your people and their abilities. A here stands for authenticity. Authenticity means there need to be a no difference between what your people say and do. I mean to say there is no gap between the saying and the action of the people. P here stands for proaction. See, within an organization in today's era, you have to be proactive rather than being reactive. As it is a famous saying that prevention is better than cure. So you should be able to foresee the future and make your action accordingly. A here stands for autonomy. You should give freedom to the people or the independence to the things what they do or the action the people take within the organization. The second last C stands for collaboration. You have to act as a team within the organization, and we all know that team leads to synergy within the organization. And the E stands for experimentation. Allow people to innovate, experiment within the organization, which can give you new ideas for improvement within the organization. So with the help of Octapace, you can ensure the HRD climate within the organization. Thank you, student.